how you doing? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk about my trading for the day. Unfortunately, took an L again for the day, so we are going to go over what happened. Actually, today would have been a fantastic day. It would have been a great day trading. But unfortunately, I got out of the trade too early, and I just didn't manage the trade as I should have. So I'm gonna go over what I did wrong today. So hopefully you can learn from me as well, and hopefully tomorrow can be a bit better than today. Let's get into the video. Getting into the video here. In today's video, we are gonna talk about Amazon. Pretty much Amazon. I took a loss in Amazon today, and it was just a loss that was uncalled for because I wasn't patient enough. Like I said, I think patience is my thing. I have to be a little bit more patient with the trades, and at the same time, I have to take profit when I see it. So what happened today was I took trades in the morning. I think on this candle right here around 9:35. Around here 9:35, I took a call, and unfortunately it didn't pan out because on this red candle, on this candle right here, I ended up getting out of the trade for a loss. I think it was a big loss, like $200-300 loss. I'm gonna show that in a second, the $200-300 loss on that. And then what I did was, when I saw this signal right here, when I saw my signal right here, I took a short trade on Amazon. I did a put, and what happened was the first two candles here, you can see the wicks were like really long right here. They were really long, and then on this third one right here, I should have gotten out of the trade. That's what I should have gotten. I should have gotten out of the trade and just take the profit, because I was up here. I was up for about like $850 here, so I really should have took the profit there and just wait for another opportunity. So I ended up taking a profit. I think selling it here. I don't know if it was if I made money on it or not, but I ended up getting out of the trade here, and I ended up missing this entire move right here. This entire move, and this is a huge move. This is a big move for the day. I ended up missing this move. So the mistake that I got out of trading today was, starting tomorrow, I am going to take profit when I see it. I said it in my previous videos, and that actually helped me a lot. The video that I made $1,000 on, I'm going to link it up in the description for you to watch. I took profit a couple of times during the trading day. So tomorrow, that's what I would do. And then again, I would only choose one company to trade for that day. I was trading Tesla and Amazon today, and it would have been better if I had the funds to be able to go back in and be able to trade this right here and trade this right here. It would have been way better, because this is a better opportunity here, and this is also like right on at this candle is also a better opportunity here. So it would have been way better to trade those two, but unfortunately I was not able to trade it. Yeah, so I just thought let me come here and share that with you guys. Like I said, today's trading, this was the first big opportunity. This second one here too was another big opportunity. This third one here as well is also another big opportunity for, you know, whoever is trading like me, to have been able to make money on this. But tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna trade just Amazon only. I love the fact that Amazon can see a $60, $70, $80, or $100 move in one day. I'm just gonna be focusing on Amazon alone from now on. Gonna be focusing on trading Amazon alone, because let me show you guys here. If I pop right in here, real quick, turn that off. as you can see here, I end up losing $400 on Amazon. I lost $60 on Tesla, and I lost $150 on Zoom on that one. I think I did. I thought I saw an opportunity to do a call, to a call on Zoom, and it reversed on me really quickly. The other thing was, the mistake that I also made today was I was in too many trades at the same time. So that's one thing I realized about myself now, that I cannot be in multiple trades at once. I can only be in one trade at a time. So from now on, I'm just going to focus on trading Amazon, maybe trading Tesla once in a while if Amazon is not doing anything. Tesla is my backup play, because what I notice is when Tesla gives big moves, Amazon don't. When Amazon gives big moves, Tesla don't. So I'm going to focus tomorrow and next week just on one company, which is going to be Amazon, because I like the movement. Amazon can move, multiple dollars, $50, $60 in one day. And those kind of movements really help traders like you and I. So that's that. Let's go over here and look at some of the trades. I traded less today. I only did maybe about 10 trades. Actually 12 trades, because when you buy, it's one buy, when you sell, it's another transaction. That's why it's showing 24 here. But I basically just traded like 12 times. As you can see here, it's pretty much Amazon and Tesla that I traded, and they just didn't work out for me. If I had waited a little bit, like I said, if I had waited, because I did a trade here. This was what time? Let me see here. This was around 10:45. Let me show you guys the example. 10:45, and we'll pop in here. Let's look around 10:45. Amazon. This was a 10:45. Yeah, it was this one. It was this trade. So what I did, it was this trade, and I bought it for 600. I bought it for 611, and it cost me $611 to buy these puts, right? And it's the 3,222 puts. Let me pull that up on the option chain right now and show you how much it's worth. This is how much I paid for it. I paid $611 for it. So let me pull this up right now. You can have an idea of what I'm talking about. This is the puts that I bought right here. As you can see, this is now it's worth 4,300, right? 4,000. I paid $611 for it, and now it's worth 4,300. Right here, as you can see, right in the money, and it's a $3,220 puts. As you can see here, if I pop back and show you guys my transaction here, and you can see right here, this is the puts. This is the put here, and I paid. This is how much I paid for it. You see, bought single at the time right here. It's right here. You see? So I just thought, let me pop in here and share with you guys. If I had just waited for this, it would have been a nice payday today. It would have been almost a $4,000 payday today if I had just waited. So this is what trading is. This is why I do this. I share this with everybody. So give me one second for watching. But before I get into all the greetings and everything, I hope you understand what I was trying to do there, because I bought the contract. When I bought the puts, I bought it. It was $611, and by the time the move happened and everything, the trade happened and ended up in the money. So if I had kept the puts, I would have made like 3,000 something for the day instead of losing, So I thought, let me share this with you guys. This is a nice insight into someone that is actually doing this. so you can know when you're ready to learn, you know what to do. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. I'm gonna focus on just trading Amazon only tomorrow. So I will share the result with you tomorrow and then let you know how the Amazon, just trading only Amazon, and let you know how it goes. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any interesting thing to add to the videos. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you. See you soon on the next video. Thanks. Bye.